How to verify your age on Reddit. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to verify your age on Reddit. So first of all you have to do is you need to get the Reddit application in your device, and after that just simply make sure that you log in with your credentials like your email address, and just log into your Reddit account where you want to verify your age and your account as well. And now I will show you the step-by-step process that how you will be able to do it. So first of all, just log into your Reddit account. If you don't have one, you need to register first and create an account for yourself, and then look for the age verification prompt. This usually appears when you try to access age restriction content or certain subreddits. Then you need to provide your date of birth. Reddit asks for this to confirm you meet the requirement age limit, typically 18 plus for restricted material. Use official ID verification if requested. Sometimes Reddit requires you to verify further by uploading a government issued ID or using an identity verification service. This step keeps bot and minors from sneaking in. And then you just simply have to wait for the confirmation. The verification might take a few moments. Once approved, access to restricted subreddits or posts will be unlocked for you. So this is basically how you will be able to verify your Reddit account and age.